Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Aaron Painting. Today I'm painting up Bertha, the Ratcatcher of Dunkeldorf. And this will be I don't know how many Dunkeldorfs we've had in a row, but I'm really enjoying painting up these using mainly contrast paints. So yeah, here goes another one. And for starters, we'll take some Gilliman flesh and paint in what little skin she's revealing. Next up, some wildwood, and this is for the leather details. Next up, some black Templar, and this is for her trouser, her staff, and as a base coat for her armor, and also for her eye patch. Next, some skeleton horde, and this is for the bandages spread out on her leg and her arm. Next up, some Psycho brown, and this is for her hat and her sleeves. Next up, a bit of Basilicanum Grey, and this is just for her skull cap. Now, a bit of Plague Bearer flesh, and this is for the vial of poison in her belt. Next up, some Gorgonta fur, and this is for the rats, as well as the straps on her backpack. And as a final contrast paint, some Dark Oath flesh, and this is for the rat's tails. Now, I'll take a little bit of white and dot in around the eye. And a bit of black. Next up, some Mechanical Standard Grey, and this is just for the cobblestones on the base. Now some gunmetal, and this is for the many metallic details spread out all across her. We're almost done here, and now I'm gonna take some Nuln oil and wash over the cobblestones and the armor, and all the metallic bits for that matter. Finally, I'm gonna dry brush the base with Terminator stone, and then I'm gonna paint the base rim black. And there we have her. I'm fairly happy with her. I think the grimy look fits the model great. There is a lot of details in this model, and I might in the future go back and revisit them with a few highlights to make the different elements stand out. But for now, she is ready for the tabletop, which is nice because I have a scenario planned for my group where she takes part. Let me know below what you think, and if you have had similar experiences with contrast paints. Always nice to have some conversation down there. And yeah, till next time, take care and bye bye.